Okay. So, have we got a treat for you? This is for every single person that believed in us over the years. To the east, well, the road's beneath our feet. To the west, even Lancashire's impressed. We're from the north, but we're always back and forth. To the south, yeah, we're always chuffing out. Ladies and gents, on the accordion, my brother from another mother, Mr. Val Doonican. Ever since we started out, we've always been aware that our show's much more than tank tops and our mocks of gorgeous hair. I often sit and pinch myself about how far we've come, and our dads spawned many brothers, but we all have different mums. Ladies and gents, get your groove on for the mighty Dave Doonican on bass guitar. Beautiful. Come on, clap your hands. Well, we travelled across our country simply trying to make our life. We drove from here to Glastonbury and from town to Matlock Bath. And we played about on Norfolk's Broads into Tempo in Glasgow. We played Buxton, Chuffing Opera House, even though those twats said no. To the east, see it! The road's beneath our feet. To the west, even Lancashire's impressed. We're from the north, but we're always back and forth. To the south, yeah, we're always chuffing out. Give a motherfucking hell yeah to Mr. Mojo Doonican on the mandolin. Festivals and theatres, pubs and clubs, village halls too. We often clocked up miles and miles to bring our show to you. And tonight, 1,000 nights we played and 1,000 more to go. Before I take my pint, raise it up to the next 1,000 shows. To the east, see it! The road beneath our feet. To the west, even Lancashire's impressed. We're from the north, but we're always back and forth. To the south, yeah, we're always jumping out. Please raise the roof of this Celestius Church anywhere for the Right Reverend Jeremiah Rickenbacker Doonican III on fiddle. Well, you took your seats and settled in for this our big reveal. We hope you go home entertained, because we're here to keep it real. So bring your heart in belly laughs and bring 1,000 miles of smile. And if you go home feeling glad you came, it was worth all the while. Come on, Nottingham! Like the Proclaimers, we drive 500 miles to the east. Come on! The road's beneath our feet. To the west, even Lancashire's impressed. We're from the north, but we're always back and forth. To the south, yeah, we're always chopping out. Yes, to the south, yeah, we're always chopping out. I face the horizon everywhere that I go. I face the horizon is my home. We face the horizon everywhere that we go. We face the horizon is our home. Good evening, Nottingham! I cannot tell you how overwhelmed I am to actually be here right now. Alan, how are you feeling?
Overwhelmed. How you doing, everybody? Oh, bless you. Bless you. It's great to be in a band where the average age has just gone down by 5 years. Thinking about getting a toddler brass section.
Thank you so much.